Hello and welcome back, everyone. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. Have a couple boxes of 2022 Automania from Wild Card. So you get 4 autos per box. These are their blasters. Here in the back, we'll do a little comparison. So 8 autos out of these two for roughly $130. And we have an 8 auto. I think these are hobby boxes or jumbo. So 8 autographs in here for $200. This one has, I believe, a guaranteed to 5 or less. But we're going to kind of compare the two, see if it's worth the extra 60 bucks or so to go with the hobby box over just the blasters, where you're getting 4 autos, like I said, for $65 or so, what I found them for. I did not open any of these. They are unlicensed, unfortunately. That's kind of the big downfall. They do have CJ Stroud in the 2022, even though he was, so it wouldn't be his rookie season. That'd be his last year at Ohio State if he's in there. We have opened some wild cards for this year. They're good looking cards, like I said. And they do have the autos of those guys in them, at least, for their rookie season. Still in college unis. So we have our one short print auto. Not sure what that's going to be out of. Guess we look at a box and kind of see here. So 10 or less for the low numbered. So you do get one of those per box. Obviously looking for the 2022 guys. Purdy, Pickett. So we do want to start with these. I believe that short print one's mag cased. These are all uncased up. So here we go, our first wild card Automania. Like I said, we're doing a comparison. In this video, we're starting with the blasters. Check out the next video so you can see kind of the difference in them. All right, and there we go. What a nice first card to start with, Mr. Ahmad Sauce Gardner. These are not numbered, just autos. Just the Jets look-alike uni, obviously. No licensing to put it on. I hope it is numbered. It is numbered. Oh, so close to jersey. Number's really hard to see. It's right there. 3 of 100. So yeah, I believe all these cards are numbered. Well, there we go. Change the light a little bit. Oh, that's much better. Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Very nice. We might as well set some of these bad boys up. Hopefully hit some good autos, but Sauce, not a bad start for our first one. Second auto. And I do like these wild cards because you do get a lot of autos for pretty cheap compared to buying hobby boxes and Panini stuff. So we have Ryan Van DeMark, offensive line. Obviously not endorsed by anything. Looks like he's in his college uni. Not familiar with him. Nice auto though, appreciate that. Sauce doesn't have too bad of an auto either. So he won't need to stand. We'll just set him there. So obviously hit or miss. I mean, for the price of these 4 autos for 60 bucks, you're doing less than 20 bucks an auto compared to Panini's price. They're getting 2 autos per hobby box for 300 plus. So good looking card here out of 75. Damari Mathis appears to be in his college uni. Another nice autograph there, putting some time into it. Appreciate that. Cornerback Damari Mathis. Try to post if they got drafted, if they're still in college, in the video as we go along here. Like I said, my editing skills are very lacking, but we're practicing, trying to get better, make a little better quality. All right, short print wild card. I'm a fan of these cards. I know a lot of people don't like the unlicensed stuff, but hey, you get a lot of cool autos for a very affordable price, like I said. So yeah, we're getting 8 autos here for 125, 130 bucks. pretty good price per. Yeah, I saw that there. It might be a good one. Oh, I thought it was going to be Christian Watson. Christian Harris, number 4 out of 5. Looks like Bama player there, linebacker. So nice auto, very, offensive line and defensive players, the whole pack. Not ideal, not what we're hunting for. But number 4 out of 5, you can go back there. Nice short print. Christian Harris, probably going to be a good player. Have to check him up. They tend to put out pretty good product there in Alabama. Although this year, not looking quite as dominant. Everyone has it down here. They got some work to do at finding probably their quarterback. Saban knows what he's doing, not a Bama fan, but the guy can coach, so I'm sure he'll get it figured out. Short print to 10, going back here. See if we can kick this one off. So that one, really Sox Gardner is the big one. Don't know if that box of paper will probably be close. Alright, and auto number 1. Broderick Jones, another offensive lineman. So not too exciting there. That one is not numbered. So there are some of these that are not numbered cards. Just like the last one was not numbered for offensive line. Still good looking cards. It's always fun to pull an auto. Alright. Another good thing about these is you don't have a stack of base to go through. So kind of like the wild card or the smaller ones. Played some patches on the previous video if you want to check that one out if you didn't. But yeah, it's nice getting a little less cards. You don't have as much to sort through. You don't have to stack them in boxes. And Dylan Wright, wide receiver. So that one is also not numbered. Nice card. Alright, this one's going to have the magic in it for the basic cards. Here we go. Oh, and it is Derek Parrish, linebacker. I believe I already have some of his autos out of the Illumination I did. And I cannot remember where he played. So we have 2 of his autographs now. Where he's drafted to at least. So, alright. Quarterback, wide receiver, let's get something here. We need some offensive players besides linemen. Alright. Another one. Number 1 out of 3. There we go. Alec Pierce. And we know he is with the Colts. Number 1 of 3. Simple back, nothing too exciting. Just says not licensed with anything. But hey, there's a nice Alec Pierce autograph. So that'll do it for the blaster boxes. Let me know if you're interested in pulling or buying any of these for 60, 65 bucks. 4 autographs per box. So we'll start with the base ones here. A little recap. Derek Parrish, nice Dylan White wide receiver. Tough pulling any offensive guys. There's a couple wide receivers. Broderick Jones. 14 out of 75 on Damari Mathis. Ryan Vandemark. The Dylan Wright. Also not numbered with that one. And our good cards, probably our best out of the non-guaranteed short print will be the 3 out of 100 Gardner. We have a nice Christian Harris here. 4 out of 5. And another one of our probably top pulls, definitely 1 out of 3, Alec Pierce. So that does it for this video. Fun rip. I really enjoy these for the price. Not nearly as stressful as opening something, it's $300. And nice looking cards. So, be sure, like, subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment what you think. Maybe what you want to see opened. So, that'll do it for Automania 2022 blaster boxes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.